Hello, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I am working on my oatmeal this morning and I wanted to have a little chat about weight loss. Oh, please excuse my zit patch. You're just gonna have to deal with it. I posted 2 videos. One was introducing the Mommy Vegan Challenge that I did at the beginning of September. And according to the app, I lost maybe 3 to 4 pounds. I think it was 3-ish pounds, which was awesome. I think that's pretty realistic because I'm getting closer to my goal weight. I don't really have a ton of weight to lose. I mean, although I would like to lose like 15, 20 more pounds. September ended. I was very focused for September, and that's how I got the weight loss. Sorry. And then I got really excited about October and fall and all of the pumpkin spice things. Took a little trippy trip to Trader Joe's and got some like exciting vegan things like bagels and crackers, things I don't normally eat while trying to lose weight. Here's the thing. These are weight maintenance foods. I can maintain my weight like nobody's business. But for weight loss, that's where I'm getting tripped up. I need to stay focused for weight loss. I think in my head, I'm like, oh, I don't want to feel deprived. I want to be able to eat these things and lose weight. But I don't know if it's like my body or if this is just how weight loss is. Like for the time being, I have to be really strict and not eat the exciting foods that I want to eat. So I don't know. These are just my thoughts. It seems like I need to give up all the fun food until I get to the weight I want to be, and then even then just eat them sparingly. Like I think I need to sit down and write out a list of rules until, I mean, the app I'm using is like, it estimates like maybe January I'll reach my goal weight. So just have like a really strict list of rules until then, and then kind of adjust those rules after that so I can eat more maintenance fun foods like bread and pasta and stuff like that. Not that that stuff's like completely off limits right now, but I think I went to Trader Joe's last week and I'm already through the pack of bagels. I already ate it. It was very easy. So I think that's keeping me from eating like the stuff I need to be eating, like more vegetables, which I have been doing really good about that. So I'm proud of myself that I have kept up that habit. I could be eating more, of course, but most meals I have vegetables. Like my oatmeal here, I put, I don't know how many cups, I don't ever measure anything. Maybe it was a cup of oatmeal and I did like 3 normal zucchinis that I shredded. So, and you can't even taste it, which is like a plus. So just like off the top of my head, a few things that helped in September help me lose weight. Like I just cut out the extra added fats. So like almond milk, the creamer I use in my coffee, I don't use near as much. I compensate a little bit with sugar, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with sugar. And then my peanut butter powder that I make into my like peanut butter stir fry sauce that I'll put on like rice and veggies. It's so good, but it's something I could eat every day for every meal. And even though the peanut butter powder is lower in fat, I think it's just the addition of like a few things here and there that's like holding me back from like consistent weight loss. I hadn't weighed myself in a while. I weighed myself this morning and I was like 141.6, which is like kind of where I've been. So like I'm at another standstill. I just need to like buckle down and maybe like schedule eating out. Like for instance, my husband rotates with other people he works with for like the weekends. So he only works like every 5th or 6th weekend. So then then he has like a couple days off during the week, and we usually schedule dates for those days. So that's like every 5 or 6 weeks. So I will that's a good like thing right there. I can like go ahead and allow myself like eating restaurant food every 5 or 6 weeks. I think that's perfect. And then just all the other times, like don't even, just say no to everything. It's hard because it's like I want to eat fun food. I want to like eat maintenance food, but maintenance food will not get you weight loss. Okay, this is really good. If you shred up an apple and cook it with your oatmeal, like it's not quite apple pie, but it's on its way to apple pie. So like a few things that have really helped me be successful with this. Having like your favorite frozen foods, meaning like frozen broccoli for me, frozen peas, frozen mixed veggies, and then also frozen hash browns, like diced potatoes. They come in the bags. The only ingredient is potatoes. So we usually have a few bags of those. My husband also eats potatoes, not near as much as I do, but yeah, so we always have those on hand. And I've been like leaning heavy on those the last week. The dinosaur in the other room, she's doing better now. Like the past few nights, she's sleeping better. I think she was going through a regression or something. So like the last week just was a wash. I got nearly nothing done. I was just absolutely exhausted. So I hadn't done a lot of prep, like food prep. So I'm back on it today. Got some potatoes prep last night, which is like my favorite food. Like prepping steamed potatoes and then cutting them up and air frying them for French fries is very good. Yeah, so just making sure I'm successful. Plenty of coffee. Make sure I can just get through the day. Cheers. I think those are my thoughts for this fine Tuesday. I'm gonna finish my oatmeal. Oatmeal's not very exciting. I don't always want oatmeal. Sometimes I have hash browns for breakfast. Anyways, I just know with the holidays coming up, we've like Halloween, we've got candy, we've got Thanksgiving and Christmas, all the fun stuff that comes with that. And I love to bake, but maybe I'll bake and like give it to other people because mama's trying to lose some weight. Thanks for joining me on this breakfast and chat. And I guess I'll see you later. Goodbye.